Hello, I'm wbz-tv meteorologist Barry Burbank. Forecast for the next several days. Let's start off with tonight's World Series game, and it looks like it'll be A-OK. It looks like it may be on the damp feeling sort of side, but as far as terms of a lot of rain falling, I don't think so. There might be a bit of mist falling from time to time and an outside shot of a brief shower. Around 49 and 50 at game time with a little bit of a breeze in from the ocean. And then tomorrow night it's totally dried out and it's a little bit chillier with a gustier breeze. That's for Wednesday night's game number 2. Okay. Highs for today will be in the middle 50s, Boston south, a little chillier across northern Massachusetts, near or just under 50 there. The whole nation is looking good today for temperatures and hardly any weather happening except right along the Gulf Coast on the Texas and Louisiana coast where some heavy rain is falling there. But where it's really going to be windy and rainy is in Mexico, where this storm here, it's a powerful one, moves onshore here north of Puerto Vallarta. It looks like for the most part the strongest winds and the biggest surge down there. Now, some of the moisture may get involved with this system in the Gulf of Mexico, and that's our rainmaker for Saturday. It could be quite a lot of it, 1 to 2 inches of rain indicated at this point, while this system today will mainly only produce maybe a couple of tenths to maybe 1/3 of an inch or so, maybe up to a 1/2 inch near the New Hampshire border. So there come the showers this afternoon. They roll across here, maybe coming down a pretty good clip for a while until late afternoon when most of this heavier rain moves offshore. After that, the trick is, will there be a little bit of drizzle trying to rotate in, and then late tonight a few more scattered showers, and we'll have those showers into tomorrow. Again, there's the rainfall amounts, a few tenths of an inch around here. The snow is going to fall in the far northern mountains and into central and northern Maine. They'll get a few inches there tonight, late today, tonight, and early tomorrow morning. Then here comes a storm for Saturday. It winds its way up the coastline. It looks like it's going to give us rain and wind with maybe some snow in the highest elevations way up north. It looks like a soaker, especially Saturday morning with lesser rain Saturday afternoon. And then still a little bit unsettled, but a little bit warmer here Sunday into Monday. It's going to be pretty cold again here by Friday morning, just like it was yesterday morning. We're going to have freezing temperatures when you head out by Friday morning. That's your forecast for now. Hope you have a great day. Enjoy the World Series.